You can create key event notifications on CTS, so that simple message notifications sends you notifications of key events. This function is triggered by CTS, and the notifications are sent by SMN. You can use this function for real-time detection of high-risk operations, such as VM, restart and security configuration changes, cost-sensitive operations, such as creating and deleting expensive resources, and service-sensitive operations, such as network configuration changes, detection of operations such as login of users with admin-level permissions or operations by users who do not have the required permissions. Connection with your own audit system. You can synchronize all audit logs to your audit system in real time to analyze the API, calling success rate, unauthorized operations, security, and costs. SMN sends key event notifications to subscribers. Before setting notifications, you need to know how to create topics and add subscriptions on the SMN console. Currently, you can create up to 100 key event notifications in CTS, unspecified key operations, users, and topics for each notification. If CTS and CloudI use the same SMN topic, they will send messages to the same targets, but the message content will be different. You can configure key event notifications on operations for up to 50 users in 10 user groups. For each notification, you can select multiple users in the same user group. CTS allows you to select up to 1,000 key operations of 100 cloud services for each notification. Now, we will show you how to configure key event notifications. Log in to the Management Console and choose Service List greater than sign Management and Governance, greater than sign Cloud Trace Service. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Key Event Notifications, then click Create Key Event Notification in the upper right corner of the page. Name the notification. In the Basic Information area, the notification name identifies key event notifications and can be customized. Select All or Custom based on the scenario. The option All is suitable if you have connected CTS to your own audit system. When All is chosen, you cannot deselect operations, because all operations on all cloud services that have connected with CTS will trigger notifications. You are advised to use an SMN topic for which HTTPS is selected. The other option, Custom, is suitable for enterprises that require detection of high-risk, cost-sensitive, service-sensitive, and unauthorized operations. You can connect CTS with your own audit system for log analysis. CTS allows you to specify the operations that can trigger notifications. You can add up to 1,000 key operations of 100 services. For details, see the supported services and operations in the user guide. If you select all users, subscribers will be notified of key operations initiated by all users. If you select specified users, subscribers will be notified of key operations initiated by your specified users. You can configure key event notifications on operations for up to 50 users in 10 user groups. For each notification, you can select multiple users in the same user group. The last step is to configure an SMN topic. You can select an existing topic or create one on the SMN console. If you do not want to send notifications, keep the default value No, and no further action is required. Then you can click OK to complete the configuration of key event notifications.